Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Gurveen and I'm part of the education team. Today I'm going to talk about an experiment that was performed by my kids during this pandemic. The name of the experiment was static electricity. To perform this experiment, all the required material were arranged by them on their own from their surrounding areas. So required materials were pieces of newspaper, balloon, oil and plate. They worked really hard in their groups. They helped each other to shot themselves and share their videos with us. Come, let us see their work, how they have performed. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज सोनिया। आज मैं करने वाली स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। उसके लिए दो चीजें चाहिए और बलून और कागज के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े। हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। बालों में ऐसे लगेंगे, उसमें ना ऊर्जा पैदा हो जाएगी और ना वो चार्ज हो जाएगा। फिर उसमें ना चिमक पैदा हो जाएगी। वो चुम्बक बन जाता है, वो अपनी ओर खींचता है और उसका नाम है स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। थैंक यू।